They're playing basketball
all around the world. To the beach, y'all.
I hope this video is not too long, but slight tutorial because I really didn't know what I was doing. I saw like a few other tutorials, and I'm gonna link some down below because I'm extra and I do a lot of unnecessary steps. So I'm turning basketballs into purses. Anyway, so I ended up in some sort of like deep dive on Instagram, and I came across somebody's basketball purse. I don't want to name the brand, but I looked on there, like the cheapest one for probably like a basketball, maybe this size, like the one that has a yellow, or yeah, it was yellow and had a smiley face on it. It was like $200. And then like other ones were like $300-400. Come over here. I even saw one that was like had crystals all over it. It was like $3,995. So I did. I'm gonna end up doing 3, but I've only done 2, and the other ones probably but yeah. I think this one's dry. It's for the most part dry, but so I did a pink lining for this one with a black chain like this, inspired by Alicia Marie vlogs, because I watched one of her vlogs and they had this chain in it, and I found it on my local Lowe's home improvement store. It was probably my favorite. Look at this. It's so cute. And this doesn't have a lining on it, but I might figure out how to put one in here. But I just did a black zipper. There's some glue. You can kind of see some of the glue on it. I'll wait to clean that off. And I might put some crystals on this. If you want to see how I made these, please keep watching. Videos come out every single Tuesday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah. So let's get into it. So first I went to Goodwill to see if I could find some items to upcycle for this project. And then I went to Lowe's, so I got some of that plastic chain that you'll see me use on the mini basketball purse. And then next I went to Hobby Lobby, and that's where I got the zippers that you can see right here. They have all these different colors and they're really cheap, and they come in a variety of different prices depending on what type of zipper that you want. So there's the optional tool, which is a grommet tool that really didn't work out for me, but you know, you can always try it. So first thing is taking off the chain or figuring out what you're going to use for your strap. I found this bag at Goodwill and it was like $3, and I really like the chain. And then on this bag, it's actually a Mary Kay bag, and I ended up not using the strap. However, I did use the zipper on the inside, so if you have a bag laying around at home, you can always use that. If you have a seam ripper, which I can't find mine, use the, or thread, whatever they're called, use that, you know. So like I touched on previously, if you have a bag laying around your house that looks like this one, or that has a zipper or something on it that you don't really use, you can always do what I did and take a zipper out of another bag versus going and buying one, even though I did. That's just so I have more than one. And then that extra strap I can use for a different basketball, or switch out the different straps on the bags. Right here, I'm just cutting out the little rings so I can put those in the ball to connect the strap to. So please be super careful if you use an X-Acto knife, because they are very sharp, and I've been a victim to them many times.
But I also use scissors to help me, and I'm just following the black line right there to make the opening. Because I'm using it more for like fashion accessory purposes, I'm not really making too big of an opening as you might if you need to use it for storage. So attaching the rings was super easy. All I did was figure out where I put the holes at, and then I pushed it through. Make sure that if you're doing it the same way that I am, that you put those in before you glue in the zipper, because it's going to be a little bit difficult to do that. Because I am using glue, I was afraid that it would come off if I were to do it the other way around. But I also like this method because I can always switch out the chain to whatever style I like. So as a huge thank you, I wanted to do a giveaway. So if you want to win this basketball purse, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and you can do an additional entry by following me on Instagram. And make sure you comment your @name down below so I can give you that additional entry. I can see why it was only $4 now. I think that they're working. It's just that I don't know how to use it. So my scissors weren't strong enough, so I got my mom to cut it with hedge clippers. Do it again, you know, because it's glue. Okay, imagine it without the clips. You see that? Look at the pink with the... Cue the awkward modeling. And shout out to my big brother Jake for being my cameraman. So thank you all so much for watching, and if you would like to win this bag, make sure you check the description box for the rules.
You're just close now. Oh, never mind, I zoomed in.